My parents had a restaurant when I was growing up. Some of my favorite memories was being in the kitchen, sitting under the table, and watching my mom cook. There was so much magic and excitement that could happen inside the kitchen. That really resonated with me. A lot of times when people think of the San Antonio Food Bank, they just have this image of food distributions, but it's more than that. We're broken up into 3 compartments, and that's food for today, food for tomorrow, and food for a lifetime. We bring different types of fact-based classes to our community. I had someone recently ask me, why should a chef from the food bank be a chef ambassador? And my response was, why not? We're helping set the table. You know, that term gastronomy, the first time I ever heard it was when I was in culinary school. It was the history of culinary arts, but really understanding what's our history, what's our community's history. Maybe it's not so much this word that people don't really understand. What is that? It's understanding what is the history of San Antonio's culinary scene. And it's rich and it's diverse and it can be very simple and beautiful.